my dear students. This is Shobna Sharma, faculty of Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today it is my second lecture for the explanation of chapter number 3. Welcome to our computer class. So now let's take a quick revision that what all we have learned in our previous lecture. In our previous lecture, we have learned the correct ways while using a computer safety rules, and what all safety we should take while using a computer. Next is the incorrect ways while using a computer, means what we should not do when we are using a computer. Now at last it is shows the complete picture of do's and don'ts while using the computer. So now let's begin with our new explanation. First comes Yogasana for the shoulders, hands, neck and eyes. To keep our body fit and healthy, exercise is necessary, as nowadays we see that our elders work on the computer continuously. In that case, they suffer from many physical problems, so they need to do exercise at least for 1 hour daily. Means children, nowadays the life is very busy, so we should not forget to do exercises, because with the help of exercises only we can remove many physical problems from our body. Now comes yoga exercise for the hands, and the name is Mushtika Bandhan. First, hold both arms straight in front of the body at the shoulder level. Second, open your hands, palms down and stretch your fingers as far as you can. Third, close your fingers to make a tight fist with thumb inside. Fourth, open your hand again and stretch your fingers. This is the full complete one exercise, children, which you have to repeat at least 10 times. The another name for Mushtika Bandhan is hand snatching. It means you have to snatch your hands, make it straight, tightly. Then you have to spread out, you have to stretch your fingers as much as you can. Then you have to make a tight fist of it, of your fingers. Then again open, then again close. Like this way you have to do at least 10 times. Now next yoga exercise for the neck, that the name is Griva Sanchalana. First point, keep the head straight and close your eyes. Second point, slowly move your head to the right. Try to touch your right ear to your right shoulder. Third, now move your head to the left side and try to touch your left ear to the left shoulder. Fourth, do not strain your neck while touching your shoulder if you cannot reach it. This is the full complete one exercise, children, which you have to repeat 10 times as shown in the picture. You have to move your neck upwards, downwards, left side and right side, and you don't have to stretch it. Just do it simply as much you can do. Now next is yoga exercise for the eyes. The name is blinking. First point, sit with your eyes open. Second point, blink your eyes 10 times quickly. Close your eyes and relax for 20 seconds. Third point, repeat it 5 times as shown in the picture. You have to open your eyes, then blink it, then again close it, then blink it for at least 10 times quickly, and then close your eyes and relax for at least 20 seconds. Next is yoga exercise again comes for the eyes, like be a cat. First, close your eyes tightly for 3 to 5 seconds. Now open them for 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat this 7 to 8 times as shown in the picture. You have to close your eyes tightly for 3 to 5 seconds. Then again you have to open it. Then again you have to close it tightly. This you have to repeat at least 7 to 8 times. Now the last yoga exercise is for the shoulders, and the name is Kohani Naman. First point, stretch the arms in front of the body at shoulder level. The hands should be open with the palms facing up. Second point, bend the arms at the elbow and touch the shoulders with fingers. Straighten the arms again. This is the full complete one exercise, children, as shown in the picture, and you have to repeat it for at least 10 times. How you will do it? You have to open your arms. You have to stretch it properly in front of the body at the shoulder levels. The hand should be open with the palms facing up. Then bend the arms at the elbows and touch the shoulders with the fingers. Then straighten the arms again and repeat this exercise full complete at least 10 times. Now it is the time for the homework. So today's homework is, dear parents, kindly help your ward to read the chapter carefully from the book. Now it is the time for some activity. So children, you have to do these exercises at least for an hour daily. Now at last, stay safe, stay at home, sanitize yourself, take care of your family and yourself, and do study in this lockdown period. Thank you.